What's up mga ka-Jimmy's? It's Coach Andre. Yeah boy. So we're here at Sat Gym. Yes sir. And I'll show you the ground floor first. So ito siya guys. Yeah. Okay. It's my car. Yeah boy. So pagpasok nyo, sliding door. Pag dito pa lang malamig na yan, guys. What's up, coach? It's vloggers. Time check, it's 9:41. Okay? And here's our gym. So, habang pinapanood nyo to, pinapanood din niya kayo. Yan. Ito yung ground floor, leg press, supplements. These are, what you call this? It's the front office, the coffee, beverages, water, leg curl and extension, treadmill. Here's the cable, I don't know what it's cable extension, some bands. And this split machine, so many exercises you can do here. Solid. It's the treadmill. This brand is Body Strong. It's imported. Yeah, very strong. This really strong. So here's our CR. You can do shower here. Yeah boy. Shower. It's really clean. You can submit your clothes there. Here, it's not pull down. No, it's for the back and the sitting room, so you can adjust this. Oh no, wait. Yeah. So sitting row. And another pogging instructor. Here's the four legs, what you call this? It's the abductor. Yeah, leg abductor is for the leg day. And locker, yeah. Very nice locker. So your equipment, your gym bags are safe. So now we going to second floor, okay? Yeah.
Hi.
Sup, coach?
Saan?
Let's go the handshake.
This is the letter S. Like this.
What is that? What is that? So now,
Diyan na lang ito.
no. Is the some achievements, so you can pick your coach directly here. Who you want? Maybe you want me? You want Coach Kyle? You want Coach Cart? I don't know, bro. Here's the Olbies. Timbangan if you want. Notice na yung timbang. Oh my god, I'm so... I'm around 85. Yeah. Ay. Go up. So, it's your boy Coach Gray. Yeah, boy. He's a male CR. Going in. No. Is there anyone here? Help. Another CR for boys. You wanna ligo? You want to ligo here? Here's the equipments for lightweights. Eh, nakita ko, I'm so sorry if it's not organized. It's just a spontaneous video. Yeah. Na minihingal, there's no edit. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, if you want lightweights, you can get here. Do the, what you call this? Yeah, this one. The curl. It's like this. This curling. Yeah. The yoga mats if you want to do yoga. Is the roller if you want to do abs. Is the medicine ball if you want more ab exercises. Yeah, is the lagayan of the bars. Okay. Here's the lagayan of plates. Yeah, people did not return it. Anyway, okay, here's yoga mat again. Here's the what do you call this? The heavier dumbbells. Yeah. So if you're a big boy like me, a big boy, yeah, do this. 25 kilo. Yeah, boy. Then here's the power rock. Power rock can be used in many ways. So maybe you want guys the squat or deadlift or row or bench press, military press. You can do it here. You can just pull up too. So here's the curl bench. If you want bicep, you want to target the bicep, you sit down here and you do this. Yeah, boy. And here's the rear delt and pec deck. Yeah. So this can be used in chest and your back. You just switch this. So now it's for chest. Okay. Then here's the dips. If you wanna do triceps and chest, you wanna do it here. Then here's the incline press for upper chest. You wanna target. Here's the flat. And here's the mirror again. Yeah. And as you can see, our facility is really safe because we are well protected by the cameras we have. So we have one here. Wait, I will show you. We have one here for the lower ground. Two air cons again. There's another one there. See it? See it? Yeah. And yeah, some bench. There's another glass door. And oh, perfect spot for you to what you call tambay or eat after you work out. You want to do it here. Here's the view. It's really high. Go and relax here in the terrace. So that's pretty much everything. What do I need to show you? So the restroom for girls is really clean. I'll show you. It's really clean because we believe that the restrooms will be our tourist attraction. Joke lang. Dapat talaga malinis para masarap maligo kaya kumbaga komportable para sa tao. Lalo sa sa girls kasi deserve nila yung malinis yung CR nila. So yun lang lahat. Thanks for joining in, hopping in. And next time I'll show you workouts. Because today I don't have much time. Pero yun, next time I'll show you workouts that I do here. And I'm kind of trying to do more vlogs. Because maybe some people need it. The programs or what they can copy. So that's everything for me. What else do I need to tell you? Oh yeah, so if you're looking forward to go here or interested, we will give you a free session. yeah, I will give you a free session para makita mo din if trip mo ba yung vibe dito. Kasi kung hindi, syempre, sayang binayad mo. Pero kung nagustuhan mo, you can stay here, get our memberships for very low prices. And yun. Say hello to my JBL speaker. Very big. Very, very big. Yeah. Tas 3 sounds. Oh my god, so loud. And last. Oh. Yeah. That's pretty much everything. See you guys here and visit us. Follow our pages and yeah. Peace out, yo.